My name is Zachary Cohn, and I read the directions. My talk is going to be about how to actually conduct a good customer interview when you're following the lean startup or customer development methodologies. I've run this workshop a whole bunch of times in various cases in various forms for various people, and I've got basically two major sections that I want to talk about. Number one is the rules of doing a good customer interview. A selection of them are things like pull, don't push, no ice cream questions. Basically, do you want ice cream? I'm going to assume you said yes because the answer to that question is always yes. Great, awesome. But if I had asked, do you want ice cream? It costs $500 a gallon and it has 2,000 calories per spoonful. Your answer is probably not going to be yes anymore. We found that a lot of times people will ask questions in a way that hides important information. Other big rules are past behavior is the best indicator of future behavior. So ask questions about people's past behavior. What have they done in the past? How many times a week did they go to the gym in the last month? Not how many times do they plan on going to the gym in the next month. And the last one is stories are better than statements. There's a lot more rules that we can go into later, but that last one is important because it transitions into part two, which is the techniques. How do you actually get good stories? A sample of those are things like the 5 whys, phrases like tell me more, or tell me about the last time that, or what do you mean by? We've got 6 or 7 others. These are just very useful phrases that people can actually use when they're trying to conduct one of these interviews. And I found that by giving people actual tactical phrases, things they can say, it really helps them grasp the concepts and really helps them get a lot more comfortable with doing these sort of interviews. And a lot better at it too. And to help with that, the last part I want to do in my talk is to actually get interactive, have people group up in pairs and actually interview each other for about 4 or 5 minutes just to get some practice using these techniques right there and right then. And I'll wander the floor and kind of coach people through a little bit as we can. And so that is my submission for a talk. Again, my name is Zachary Cohn. I run a consulting company that teaches a lot of this stuff. Right now I'm working with the state of Washington. And yeah, I hope I get a chance to come and share the sort of things I teach with the audience. Thanks.